Is a campaign planning ready completely?
Planning, we did
Clean
it.
sheet.
Yes.
I'll ask. Beginning by ready.
Ready.
Nitish.
Nitish is not ready.
Shravan. Shimya Babu. Sheetmates ready. Add appointments not ready. This is a checklist you have to follow always, not only now, till the time you are working with your client also. This is a normal checklist. First, you have to do business analysis, you have to understand the business, then Google Ad account verification, then plan the campaigns. Conversion tracking, you have to see if it's completed or not. Did we do conversion tracking in the ad account? We'll do it today. What is the budget? I'll give you. What is the bidding? We have to use conversions as a bidding. No CPA, nothing, because our budget is very less. Location, which location to target now? I'll not tell you, you have to decide. You want to target Hyderabad, you want to target India, you want to target Telangana. Up to you. India, you want to target, US, you want to target, your wish. Keywords, you have to finalize. What should be the intent? Purchase intent. How many keywords did we finalize? 20 to 25. Why? Because budget is low. Keyword and match types, who will decide? You will decide. Headline, description, assets, target and end date. Now you have to follow this checklist. The same thing you have to add it in your group sheet and write down the things here on the right side. If it's done, done. If it's not done, not done. Now this is the most important thing that we need to follow, your landing page checklist. Where is the landing page? What is this? Something different. It's showing preview like this. So this is your landing page. Okay. I have created this landing page in the domain that we have purchased that no one used. Header is there, I need to remove. Footer ka issue is there, I need to fix it. Okay. Whenever you are making your campaign live, dummy campaign should be created. I think I have explained you already yesterday. Dummy campaign should be created in your own ad account. The ad account access I gave you yesterday. Everyone got the access of ad account. Every group is going to use the same landing page. One group will create how many campaigns? One campaign. Campaign name should be your group name. Very, very important. Because campaign name you will give where? In UTM. So then only you can track how many conversions are we getting from your group. One campaign, how many ad groups? 2 ad groups. And 2 ads for every ad group. Location, keyword, asset, you guys need to decide. Daily budget from the total amount that we have collected. I will assign you the daily budget. Start date, today you have to launch the campaign. End date, you should not select any end date. Every group will spend how many rupees that I take. Now this is a landing page. Very important checklist to follow. Landing pages. Proper structure should be there in your landing page. Very, very important. Proper form should be there. You have to see if the forms are proper or not. Click on the form, fill the form, see if it's getting redirected to thank you page or not. Because if it's not getting redirected, your conversion tracking won't work. If conversion tracking won't work, you get the conversions, but the conversions will not be added in your Google Ads. Very, very important. Keywords are there in the landing page or no? Highlights are there in the landing page or no? Mobile friendly, it is mobile friendly or no? How the loading speed is. Thank you page redirection. No redirection to any another page. All of these are landing page experience. If the landing page experience is disturbed, your quality score will be disturbed. If your quality score is disturbed, your ad will go completely down. If your ad goes down, you pay extra amount. Okay. Check all the buttons if every button is properly working or not. Create a UTM from that landing page. Got it? After making the campaign live, you have to make sure that campaign should be enabled, ad group should be enabled, and ad also should be enabled. Now, once you do the live campaign, you get a complete clarity how the things works. Till now, you were practicing only. Now you are making it live. You spend the amount, you bring the leads, you call the leads and all. Make sure budget should be there in the billing account. Now this thing we'll see once the campaign goes live. Got it? Everyone? Any doubts? Now these are the groups that we have divided. Not till now 6,000 is the budget that we have finalized. Okay. For one group, the budget for your search campaign will be 1,000 rupees. Campaign, your budget will be how much? 1,000 rupees. This is not daily budget. This is the total budget of your campaign. Okay. Daily budget will start with how much? 300 will be the daily budget of the campaign. Okay. Now everyone is using the same ad account. Everyone is using the same billing account. Amount will add in the bill ad account. Okay. Amount will be assigned to different campaigns. It's very, very important. You have to pause your search campaign when it reaches how much?
1,000.
1,000. Not 1,000 also. What is the 18% of 1,000? 180.
180 rupees.
18%.
Hmm.
180. So you have to pause your campaign at what? 820 because 18% GST also. Let's say your group forgot to pause the campaign. Let's say I'm giving 4,000 rupees for each group. 4,000 I'm adding to their billing account. For Google, you are not different groups. For Google, you are same company but different campaigns. If your budget is there, Google will assign to other campaigns also. Okay. It's very, very important. You have to pause the campaign at what?
20 rupees.
20, 820, 820, and by mistake you forgot to pause the campaign at 820 rupees. Let's say Chandrasekhar group 12. Chandrasekhar forgot to pause the campaign. By mistake they spent 1,500 rupees. Okay. From which group they took the money? From other groups the money they took, they spent the amount. Again you have to, your group have to pay the amount, whatever the amount is. Example, let's say the amount is 5. Again your group have to pay the amount if you don't pause the campaign on time. I will not ask individual person. Servers को बोला था pause करने, वो pause नहीं करा, ये pause नहीं करा. I will ask the group. Again your group have to pay 500 rupees because you took budget from other group. You have to give them again. So it's very, very important to pause the campaign when? Not per day, total. It can be 1 day, it can be 2 days, it can be 3 days. Got it? Clear?
अभी वो टोटल का 1,000 रुपीज़ रखे अपन, पर डे 300 रुपीज़ बजट रख रहे,
Yeah.
तो 3 दिन तो चलेगा ना वो.
अब कभी-कभी Google क्या करता होता है? If Google is giving you good results, daily 300 की budget है ना, 400 spend कर देते.
अच्छा, ओके ओके.
So it's very, very important. Every hour.
We should track it.
Every half an hour you have to keep checking. Yes sir. Okay sir. Download Google Ads app in your mobile. Log in with the same email ID. You can do basic things from your mobile app. Not now. Clear? What is the budget for search campaign?
820.
820 plus. Any doubts? Anyone? Okay. Everyone got the ad account access? Now create ad account, go to that ad account, create a campaign and launch the campaign. Got it? Budget, how much we need to add? Budget is due Chandrasekhar. We will add budget 2,000 rupees now. Once 2,000 gets completed, we will add more 1,000. Because if you add 4,000, account gets suspended, amount will be stuck. It will come back, but it will take a lot of time. Okay. So now, very, very important, you have to see the landing page checklist first. Landing page URL I already gave you. Login details I already gave you. You don't have to log in also. Just follow the checklist of a landing page. First, I'll set up conversion tracking in the ad account. Do your group need to do conversion tracking again? No. Because I'm already doing. Conversion tracking I'll set up. Me and like Chandrasekhar will add 2,000 rupees in the ad account. Be careful when you are making a campaign live because till now you are making the campaign live, budget was not there in your ad account. Now whatever the thing you are making live, budget is in your ad account, your campaign is going to go live. If proper optimization is not there, your budget will get exhausted. Other group ka budget will also get exhausted. You have to pay again. Proper. Very proper. Small mistake you did. Now you have to remember, when I am showing you the search campaign, what are the settings I have told you to off? What are the settings I have told you to keep on? No, I will not tell you. Your campaign should go live. Then tomorrow we'll get the data to the same campaign where I will show you the optimization part, how to optimize the campaign. Now I will not tell you what to pause, what to open, what to disable, what to enable and all, because I already told you while creating a campaign. Got it? Start working. Meanwhile, I do conversion tracking. Open that live ad account. Down account. You saw the immediately Chandu down.
Chandu down.
Hope everyone got the access of this ad account.
अभी एक रिक्वेस्ट भेजा पावानी मैडम का, उसको एक्सेप्ट
सर मेरे को भी नहीं है सर, परमिशन नहीं है।
Facebook.
एक्सेस
What did you do by access? Yesterday did you share? Harsha?
ఏ స్టార్ట్ న్యూ ఎందుకురా లాగిన్
లాగిన్ జరుగుతుంది।
లాగిన్ నిన్న వేసినాముగా. ఆ.
Okay. Everyone look at here. Go to billing. Side is support. No.
అలాగే ఇచ్చాను.
I'll click on this. Manual event setup. Now where to paste this code, how to paste this code in your website. Platform में भी. HFC. Where I need to paste the first code, entire website or thank you page? Entire website. Confirm. Or only landing page? Entire website or only landing page? Confirm. Lock. How do I check if the code is updated or not? Which extension? Forgot. Google Tags. Specific page. Which page? Done. Now your conversion tracking is also ready. You can launch the campaign. Again, I am telling details. Budget will be exhausted. Do proper optimization. Fabric cover. Landing page is same, but how do I detect from which group we got the conversion? Nice. Conversion में पूरा conversion platform में पूरा entries रहता. But how do I see कौन से group से which lead I got? Entries में हम बता रहा हूँ. Can you which group से I got that lead? See, all groups are using same landing page. So campaign में we can see different conversions. मगर when you got the lead, from which group we got that lead? How we can see? UTM. Just for you. See, one lead you got. If I click on view, platform pro is not available with the version of platform. See which group is this? Google Ad next.
अड्डा
ग्रुप का नाम है
गूगल अड्डा
कौन है गूगल का? अच्छा नो रिस्पॉन्सेस कौन? मतलब यूजर डायरेक्टली क्लिक ऑन सबमिट नॉट एंटरिंग because form में it's not required option was not there.
वेस्ट हो गया
Next
वेस्ट कर दिया
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 27 we got.
अरे 28 सर
नहीं वो फेक बोल रहा था डुप्लीकेट फिल्म भेजे
हाँ इसमें तो 15 दिखा रहा है
नहीं क्यों तो while setting up conversion tracking we selected one मतलब if same user fills the form multiple time also it will take as one okay so one by one let's see Balu one lead you got mobile number आ जाएगा
मोबाइल नंबर राम है
from which campaign you got this we cannot track why because which group is that don't know they did not give UTM
यूट्यूब नहीं लिया
तो ये रीड्स कोसेक कैंपेन से आया ना we cannot see here Bhavani you fit this is from Google Adda 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 take it and this is also from Google Adda Sheikh Ali take a picture of this one.
नंबर भी राम
Right. नहीं genuine दिखा रहा है next again Google Adda same lead
सेम बस
again same lead again same lead
कितना बार किया
इधर no issues lead under
हमारा
no submissions मतलब directly submit